The Samsung Galaxy A50 is a mid-range smartphone with a premium design, Super AMOLED screen, an in-display fingerprint reader, a triple camera, and a large battery. The A50 has a great AMOLED screen. Impressive imaging is possible in favorable lighting conditions. Gaming at high graphics settings is indeed possible. Samsung has designed One UI quite well. The phone also offers USB Type-C fast charging with decent battery life. Samsung Galaxy A50 was launched in March 2019 and runs on Android 9.0 OS. The smartphone is available in more than 3 color options, i.e. black, white, blue, coral, and has a built-in fingerprint sensor as the primary security feature, along with the host of connectivity options in terms of 3G, 4G GPS, Wi-Fi Bluetooth capabilities. The smartphone is powered by 2.3 GHz octa-core Exynos 9610 processor. A 4 GB of RAM ensures phone runs smoothly even the most memory-intensive applications and still shows no signs of lag. 64 GB of internal storage can be expanded to 512 GB via a microSD card. The phone comes with a large 4000 mAh battery to support its 6.4-inch screen with Super AMOLED display having a resolution of 1080 by 2340 at 403 pixels per inch. Samsung Galaxy A50 boasts of dual primary camera of 25 plus 8 plus 5 megapixel and 25 megapixel front camera. It also supports face detection and high dynamic range (HDR) imaging. The link in the description.